Have you ever heard the saying, "You are the architect of your own destiny"? In a way, this is also true for the cells in your body. Just like architects, cells rely on an intricate framework to build and maintain their structures. This framework is made up of a protein called actin, which acts like a scaffold, providing support and shape the cell. But actin is more than just a static framework. It's also a dynamic player in the cell's movements, allowing it to crawl, divide, and interact with its environment. Think of actin as the construction crew, working tirelessly, behind the scenes, to ensure that the building stays intact and functions smoothly. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the fascinating world of actin and its binding proteins, exploring the intricate mechanisms that make life possible at the cellular level. So, join us as we dive into the mesmerizing world of cellular architecture and discover the vital role of actin and its binding proteins in shaping the world around us. Now, actin is a family of globular multifunctional proteins that form two types of filaments. One of them is microfilaments in the cytoskeleton, that are also referred to as the actin microfilaments. These are one of the three major components of the cytoskeleton, the other two being the intermediate filament and microtubules. Actin microfilaments have a diameter of about 7 nanometer. Actin filaments are usually present just beneath the plasma membrane and are abundant at the periphery of the cell, where they are anchored to the cell membrane through one or more intermediary proteins, like alpha-actinin, vinculin, talin, and the other ones are thin filaments in muscle fibrils. Well, actin can be present either as a free monomer called G-actin or globular actin, or as a part of a linear polymer microfilament called F-actin or filamentous actin. The individual G-actin polymerize in a reversible process to form helical filaments. Or, to put it simply, globular actin actually polymerizes to form filamentous actin. This polymerization and depolymerization reaction is closely regulated by the cell. For example, extracellular signals may influence polymerization via G-protein-coupled cell surface receptors, facilitating cell processes such as chemotaxis in neutrophils. But actin doesn't work alone. So, before moving on to further details, let me introduce you to the actin-binding proteins. Well, actin-binding proteins, or ABPs for short, are a diverse group of proteins that specifically interact with actin, playing crucial roles in regulating actin dynamics and mediating cellular processes. I know, that's not enough to know. So, we've something great for you, awaiting in the very next videos of this collection, that are stuffed with knowledge. So, subscribe now, and enjoy the next segments of the video.
Have you ever heard of video books? sqadia.com is delighted to present video books, medical books, that have been tailored into a series of videos. sqadia.com videos are presented in the same order as the book's chapters. Explore now and make your learning easy.